Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can change drop-down menu text color in Shopify. So currently I'm using the Dawn theme and the same procedure applies for any Shopify theme you use. So this is not something which is only applies to the Dawn theme. And for this tutorial, I have covered basically two scenarios. The first scenario is that I will change the menu color for the mega menu, and the other scenario is I will change the text color for the drop-down. So also in mega menu, I have a bonus for you if you want to change the color for example something like this. Let me show you. So I've covered this scenario as well. This is just for the bonus. If you want to change the separate color, if you want to have the separate color for men's clothing and the separate color for men's t-shirt or pants or belts, so this is also being applied in this code that I will show it to you, and I will leave the link to this code in the description. So basically, there will be separate color for the heading and then the mega menu links as we know. So let's cover the first scenario. I've currently activated the mega menu, and then I will activate the drop down, and I will show you how this code works for both of them. So this is the Dawn theme that I'm currently using, and I will click on customize, and then I will make sure to just copy paste the code and then let it be open. You have to open the theme customization. Okay, and once the theme customization is open, you have to make sure that the mega menu is actually enabled, otherwise the code for the mega menu will not work. So as you can see, menu tab is mega menu, so that's it. So we don't have to worry about the code now. So just go to custom css and add. If you already have an existing code, you can just add it below it, and then you have to copy paste that code and make sure to just save it. So what it does, the generic links would be the orange color, and the level 2 links, the headings, would be red color. So you can change the color in this code. You can just instead of orange, you can write the blue. Instead of red, you can write anything orange. So, and this is just the test code, and you can change the colors up to your choice. So I will click on save, and then I will make sure to refresh the live store, so to see if the changes are applied or not. So let's wait for a few seconds, and let's see. And as you can see, the headings of the mega menu are of red color, and the links of the mega menu, this is also the link, obviously. This is the main collection, and these are the sub collections, but the main collection link is red and the sub collection links are orange. So I hope this one is clear, and let's test the other scenario. So this code is tested, and if you face an issue, you can just drop me a comment, and I will make sure to get back to you within 1 day or 2 days or maximum within a week, and I will see if this code is not working in any other theme, and I will make sure that this code actually works for your theme. For example, if you are using like other theme, for example impulse theme, and this code is not working, just drop me a message in the comment. I will make sure that the issue is resolved. So in case of drop down, let's first delete this code, because obviously this code will not work in case of drop down. So I will go here, and then I will change the menu type to drop down. Okay, and then I will again go to custom css, obviously, because currently the drop down is activated, and so I will click on custom css, and then I will copy paste the second code which is highlighted in case of drop down, and then I will make sure that I insert the code here. For some reason, sometimes the Shopify theme customization stuck, and don't worry for it. You have to wait for a few seconds. You have to be patient. You have to show patience for it, and just click on save. This code also covers two scenarios. I will show you. This is a kind of bonus video for you, because it doesn't cover the basic thing. It also covers some advanced stuff as well that you may need. So as you can see, the shop, the men's clothing and the women's clothing, this is the main collection, or you can say the second level, you can of this menu. they are of the red color. This shop is not second level actually. I'm sorry for that. This is second level. This is second level. But I just want to say the main heading, the shop, the men's clothing, the main collection. The main collection is red color, and the sub collections they are in blue color. So this code is editable. You can change the color to any color you want. For example, if you don't want these one to be blue color, you can change them to red, and if you don't want this red color, you can change it to blue. So for example, if you want to change the header menu item, you can just update this code, and instead of red you have to add the blue color, black color, white color, not white color, sorry, orange color, any color you want. So you have to match the color scheme so that it matches your brand. And then you can also adjust this code, and I hope the code is clear to you. I was a little confused in explaining you the levels, but I hope you get the point that this is the blue color, the main the secondary links you can say of this sub menu, they are of blue color, and this the main links of this sub menu like shop, men's clothing or women clothing, they are of red color. And you can easily change that color without any hassle, because this is a details tag, and the details tag is red, and without the details tag this is blue. So I hope the things are clear. This code has been tested multiple times, and this is working fine for me. And if you face any issue, you can let me know. I will drop this file link in the comment section, and let me know if you feel an issue. Thank you very much, and have a good day.